Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, BM-04 SRBM range significantly underreported. India's DRDO has recently unveiled the BM-04 short-range ballistic missile SRBM, a cutting-edge addition to its missile arsenal that promises to redefine strategic capabilities. Officially stated to have a range of 400 to 1500 km, the BM-04 incorporates a third-stage hypersonic glide vehicle, which has sparked discussions among defense analysts about its true potential. Experts have suggested that the DRDO may have understated the missile's range, a practice seen in previous missile programs, and estimate that the BM-04 could achieve ranges of 2,500 to 3,000 km in real-world conditions. Next, Fincantieri eyes India as strategic partner for NG naval innovation. In a rapidly evolving global maritime landscape, Fincantieri, one of the world's leading shipbuilding companies, has set its sight on India as a pivotal partner for co-developing and co-producing next-generation vessels. Under the leadership of CEO Piero Berto Folgiero, the Italian shipbuilding giant is keen on fostering deeper collaboration with Indian shipyards, allying its expertise with India's ambitious Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. This partnership aims to not only bolster India's naval defense capabilities but also cement joint ventures that enhance maritime security and innovation in the Indo-Pacific region. Their interest in India comes at a time when the Indo-Pacific region is emerging as a critical theater for geopolitical stability and maritime security. With India's strategic location and growing naval ambitions, the country presents a unique opportunity for collaboration in naval defense. Next, Pakistan's fighter jet scale model Iqbal takes flight. Pakistan marked a modest milestone in its aerospace ambition on March 18th as a scaled-down model of the Khan fighter jet named Iqbal completed its first successful flight in Islamabad. Fully designed by a Pakistani team, the model was intended as a collaborative nod to Turkey's TAI TF Khan, a fifth-generation stealth fighter under development by Turkish Aerospace Industries. However, the achievement has been met with derision from Indian defense community, which mocked the Iqbal as a poorly crafted remote-controlled toy rather than a serious-scale representation of an advanced fighter jet. Next, Pakistan's J-35A sparks fear among pilots? So comment. Raza Khan, host of Pakistan's 24 News HD, has once again stirred the pot with a sensational report asserting that Pakistan's anticipated acquisition of the Chinese J-35A stealth fighter jet is sending ripples of concern through the Indian Air Force. In his latest broadcast, Khan cited a report allegedly sourced from a Reddit Indian defense community thread, claiming that the J-35A could effortlessly overpower India's mainstay fighter jets, the MiG-29 and Su-30 MKI. Next, CAC's J-36, that is China's sixth-generation fighter, completes second test flight. China's aerospace ambitions reached a few milestones as the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC) successfully completed the second test flight of its highly anticipated J-36, a next-generation stealth fighter widely regarded as a contender for the sixth-generation category. The flight, which took place recently, follows the aircraft's maiden voyage on December 26, signaling rapid progress in China's pursuit of cutting-edge military aviation technology. The J-36, developed by CSE, known for producing the J-20 Mighty Dragon, China's premier fifth-generation stealth fighter, represents a bold leap forward in design and capability. Unlike its predecessors, the J-36 features a tailless delta wing configuration with a distinctive three-engine layout, a rarity among modern combat aircraft. The unconventional design is believed to enhance stealth characteristics while providing the power needed for supersonic performance and advanced on-board systems. Next, LCA Tejas wing drilling cuts time by 95%. In a significant boost to India's indigenous defense manufacturing capabilities, Larsen & Toubro has introduced a game-changing robotic drilling machine that has dramatically accelerated the production of wings for the light combat aircraft Tejas program. Partnering with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, L&T has reduced the time required to drill each hole in the wings from 25 to 35 minutes to just 1 minute, enhancing efficiency and supporting the accelerated production of the LCA Tejas Mk1A variant. Each wing of the LCA Tejas requires approximately 8,000 holes to be drilled for assembly, fastening and integration with other airframe components. Traditionally, these holes were drilled manually, a painstaking process that took between 25 to 35 minutes per hole, depending on the material, location and tolerance required. For a single aircraft, this translated into thousands of hours of labor, creating a bottleneck in HAL's production timeline as it sought to ramp up delivery rates to meet IAF requirement. Next, completed sea trials for two warships. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, one of the India's premier shipyard, has once again demonstrated its dedication to delivering high-quality warships to the Indian Navy and Coast Guards. On March 3rd, GRSE successfully completed the contractor sea trials for two naval platforms, Himgiri Yard 3022 and Androth Yard 3035, marking a significant milestone in their construction journey. These trials, conducted simultaneously, underscore GRSE's capability to manage multiple complex projects while adhering to stringent timelines and quality standards. Himgiri is the first of three advanced stealth frigates being constructed by GRSE under the Indian Navy's prestigious Project 17A. This program aims to deliver a series of 7 Nilgiri-class frigates across two shipyards, GRSE and Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited (MDL), to enhance the Navy's blue water capability. Named after a Himalayan peak, Himgiri is a follow-on to the Shivalik-class frigates but incorporates advanced stealth features, improved weapon system, and cutting-edge sensors. Thank you. Equipped with anti-ship and anti-submarine warfare capabilities as well as air defense systems, these frigates are designed to operate in high-threat environments, providing the Navy with versatile multi-role platforms. Next, second of the 8 modern submarines delivered to Pakistan by China. China has delivered a second new submarine equipped with state-of-the-art weapons and sensors to Pakistan as part of its efforts to beef up the navy of its all-weather ally, to back its growing presence in the Arabian Sea and India's backyard, the Indian Ocean. The Hangar class submarine, which is part of the 8 such submarines to Pakistan in a deal with around $5 billion, was launched in Wuhan, China's Hubei province. Official media here reported on Sunday. Thank you.